Oh, is this guy getting out? Oh, no!
A tragic accident
You fucking spastic!
It's the end of Country Sport up next.
Oh, man.
Locally owned Aussie
Got that on camera.
Did you?
Yeah.
Mate, that is an absolute fuck.
Dude.
Just get overtaken by the lorry. She's going under 50.
Yeah, I've been overtaken by the lorry. I don't really want to get this lorry.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
What? I didn't think it was mandatory. I thought it was just. Holy shit! Holy shit! This fucking dude!
Oh, fuck!
Oh shit!
You need Medicare for all. I mean, the United States healthcare system is pathetic. I mean, they're spending 3 times more than Australia does. And they have...
Hang on, no, he's got this way. Yeah.
So you stand corrected.
Fucking hell, eh? You fucking tosser. Fucking get in there, go on.
Daddy would never stand for that. Shit. Oh, shit.
Don't keep moving.
I've got to send you my dash cam footage right now. This dude's got a mattress standing upright in his trailer and it's flopping about. This thing's going to go flying. I don't even think he's aware. Like, he's tied it down with, it looks like rope that you would tie around a hay. Oh, the rope just broke. There goes the mattress!
Oh shit. Oh my god.
$13.10.60. Man, lift up your phone. Give us a call if you know the answer to question number 1.
I gotta pull over.
It's all covered in lights, presents in the back, but he got his license in a week fix pack. Santa Claus has got a new truck. Yeah, but...
Fierce competition from developing world competitors with lower labor costs. This response has been to set up factories or buy companies in other parts of the world. There are now 94 subsidiaries producing goods from Vietnam to Chile, Morocco, and China. What in capitalism with it?
Did people rage?
Keep going, go, quick, go, push.
Go.
Go harder. There you go.
Go.
I'm going, you have to go with me, you have to push. Keep pushing. That's
my
it, man.
bumper's gonna fucking fall off.
No, it won't fall off.
Fuck! Oh my god! Jesus fuck! Oh my god!
Fuck was that?